Good morning, everyone. This is Hookah Chef Dan Partridge with a triple task today. This one is going to be a review of the new hookah that I have, the hose, the shisha, and the experiment. So let's go ahead and start off with the shisha review. This one is for Fakher mint, and let's go ahead and get right into it because I don't want to keep you guys too long. Everyone goes with the smell first, so I can't smell any real tobacco scent to it at all. But when you do open it, it does kind of get in your eyes, the fumes of it, and the smell is very nice. It has sort of the combination of fresh peppermint as well as the regular, the peppermint oil that you get in a lot of candies. So that's not too bad, and I like that. Still smells very good. As you can see, it's the typical Fakher cut. A few stems here and there, but like I said, that never really bothers me because if it wasn't part of the plant, if it wasn't meant to be smoked, it wouldn't be part of the plant. So it's the typical red thing, or the usual inconsistent cut, but again, that's not something that bothers me because it all smokes pretty well to me. And I'm actually running an experiment with folks in the hookah lounge and whoever else sees it to see what we all think of the same one product, and if we all have similar opinions, then that means they make a really consistent product. So I'm interested to see how that goes, and if they're all different, then it's either inconsistent or there's fakes out there. I'm not sure. I just want to see what happens, that's all. So the second part is this brand new hookah that I got. I got it from hookahshisha.com, and it's this Khalil Mamoon 1001 Nights Ice Hookah. And as you can see, it's nice Egyptian construction, aluminum. It's got some embellishments of copper on it, those flower things, and then stars down below, if you can see them. And not very good view, I'm sorry. But it's got some nice embellishments. I think it's pretty. And then, of course, it's got the ice bucket right there with, of course, if I can get it open, some ice and water. And I'm going to see how it affects the smoke. And on top of that, in the clay Egyptian bowl, I have Fakher mint and 3 cocoa earth cubes and just a simple drum type foil. Water in the base, and I just felt that base got kind of lonely, which is why I bought this stem in the first place. I don't like seeing an empty, unused base. So let's get into the rest of the review and start with clouds. Flavor's good. It's only been cooking for about 8 minutes, so I'm going to give it time to develop more clouds. But the flavor right from the off, it's more like double mint gum to me. It has that nice sweetness to it. And like I said, it has the fresh mint as well as the artificial mint flavor to it to me. And it's not bad at all. I think it's quite flavorful. Nice and sweet. And I can't really taste any tobacco in it. And I'm sure the buzz will come later, and that's just a given, so I'm not even going to bother reviewing the buzz part. But it's good so far. See, clouds are getting better. Let me get a... Yeah, the clouds are a little light. But so far about the hookah, it smokes really well. The way that the stem is made, there's a little part on the bottom that I can't unscrew because it's welded to it, so I can't put a diffuser on it. But it's very light for a hookah of its size, so you won't get any weight until you put any water in the base or ice in it. And so far, the smoke has been nice and cool. It's not cold, but it has not been harsh in the least. So I'm really happy about that. And I think I'm going to like this one. The hose is a Diamond Nammor hose, which I got for free under coupon code. And see, It's not really sewn in or anything else. It's just simply banded. It's got a nice green color. It's got the pom-poms on the top, just like a typical lounge hose. And a more narrow mouth tip because I kind of like that a lot more than I do the wider green one that I have. So it's easier for me to draw on this one. Nice. So for a free hose, it's really good. If you want to buy it, do that too. I mean, I'm sure they'd appreciate the money. And yeah, if you're gonna get a KM hookah, just get the hose with it and a nice matching color. And yeah, I'm gonna like this setup really really well. So other than that, yeah, the flavor's great. I don't taste really anything dirt-like to it, like a couple of people have said. It's sweet, tastes like double mint gum, and so far so good. No harshness. The ice is doing its job. It's keeping the smoke nice and cool. So I think I'm really gonna like this setup. Any other comments, corrections, deletions, whatever's, please feel free to give me your opinions. I welcome them. If there's anything else you think I should come back and take a look at just so I get a clear picture on it, don't hesitate to tell me. Other than that, let's give the clouds another draw, see if we can get something good. And it's probably because of the cooling effect, but I'm satisfied with the clouds, so I'm going to give those about an 8 out of a 10. The flavor is spot on with mint. It's not overpowering or harsh at all, so I'm giving that a 4 out of 5. And I'm going to just sit here and finish smoking this. So the rest of you have a good day. Happy smoking, and I will talk to you next time.